Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an easy sheet pan olive bar chicken recipe. All of the recipes I do on my channel are super easy. So we're just starting out with potatoes. You can use purple potatoes, fingerling potatoes. I had frozen roasted potatoes. So we're gonna spread them out on the sheet pan. And while we're prepping the rest of our ingredients, we're gonna stick them in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. Here I'm just slicing up a lemon for a few lemon slices on the sheet pan. You can do a few lemon slices and then save half to squirt over the chicken before it bakes. I ended up doing 2 lemons because of the size of my family. And then here I bought some pearl red onions. I wouldn't go back and do this part again. I would just buy one big red onion and cut it that way because this took way too long to prep. But I wanted them to be the size of the olives, so you live and you learn.
To prove that this is my life, I can see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Okay, so here I'm about to pull the potatoes out of the oven, and I'm taking half of the potatoes and sticking them on another sheet pan because I have a family of 6 with 3 boys and a husband, so I need to make sure I have a lot of food. So here I'm just laying out the lemon slices, making sure that I took out the lemon seeds and spreading them out however you want. I mean, there's no rhyme or reason to this. It's olive bar chicken, so I added 3 different kinds of olives. So here I'm adding black olives and just throwing them around. I'm trying to make it look pretty, but. And then I cubed up 2 pounds of chicken breast. And so I'm just throwing it all over. It's okay. It's gonna cook off. And then I'm gonna be adding in 2 more olives. So I'm gonna do green and I'm gonna do Kalamata. I'll also be adding in those red pearl onions that took me forever to cut. And I'm also adding in little grape tomatoes as well. You can put in anything you feel goes on an olive bar onto this sheet pan.
See me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see now.
Now I'm going over and adding in some olive oil, and I'm gonna also sprinkle it with a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And this is just me assembling the second sheet pan. and we're just sticking it in the oven at 375 for 35 minutes or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. So here I'm setting it for 21 minutes, and I came back and I checked on it to make sure everything was cooking nicely, and then ended up putting it back in for about 13-14 more minutes. Here's the finished product. It is so good. The flavors are amazing, especially if you like Greek, Mediterranean, olives. This is the olive bar chicken, and everybody loved it. And we served it with a side of hummus and a salad. You could do pitas if you're not low carb. Hope you love it.